There's a family that are standing in a small room, holding a coffee cups, and start chit-chatting.
So, weather's been nice later, huh?
Yeah, sunny, not too hot, not too cold. Perfect for, weather.
Exactly. I mean, I even took a walk yesterday, just around the block. Fresh air and all that.
Yeah, walking is good.
They all take awkward sips of coffee at the same time.
Did you guys, watch anything good on TV last night?
Not really, just the news. Same old stuff, you know?
I saw that new cooking show. Pretty interesting. They made like fancy grilled cheese.
Wow, grilled cheese. That's something.
Yeah, sounds, gourmet. Maybe I'll check it out.
So, any weekend plans?
Not much. Probably laundry.
Yeah, same. Might, clean out the garage.
OMG! Exciting stuff!
Silence falls again. They all take one last sip of their coffee, then stare off into space.
Well, back to work, I guess.
1, 2, 3, go! Yes, yes, Reyes. 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 1, 2, 3, go! Yes,